Where are you going, Bubba?
Where you going? We're at the emergency room, so if you fall.
Come here, Bubba. Where are you gonna go? No, he just wants to walk around.
Yeah, he figured out that.
Bubba, come back here. What are you doing? Don't go too far, bud. Don't go too far. We're in trouble now. He always goes to that chair.
Yeah, you're a big boy. You're a big boy.
Good job, Bubba.
Bubba.
Come here, baby. No, you're gonna turn around and take off. Good.